Today, we are visiting an amazing city here in the USA. Let's go! Hey everyone! Welcome to Denver, the Mile High City. Denver is the capital of the US state of Colorado. It is called the Mile High City because its elevation is around 1 mile above sea level. And today, we are walking around this vibrant city. From historic landmarks to modern attractions, Denver has it all. And we are starting our journey right in the heart of Denver. It's downtown. And the first place that we will visit here in the downtown neighborhood of Denver is Union Station. Alright, now we're at Union Station, one of the coolest places here in Denver. Union Station is located right at the heart of the downtown neighborhood of Denver. It is not only a major transportation hub, but the building itself is absolutely stunning. It was originally built in 1881, but after a huge renovation, it's now a trendy spot with restaurants, shops, and even a hotel. If you are into history or just want a place to hang out, Union Station is definitely a must-see. Now, let us check out one of Denver's hidden gems, the RiNo District. The RiNo District is located just northeast of Union Station. If you are into art, this place is a must. You never know what you'll find around the corner. And one of the main places to visit in this area is the Denver Central Market. Denver Central Market is a culinary hub where you can find incredible variety of food and drinks all under one roof. Whether you're in the mood for fresh oysters, artisanal coffee, or mouth-watering pastries, there's something here for every palate. The next place that we will visit is the iconic Coors Field, home of the Colorado Rockies. The Coors Field is located between the RiNo district and the Union Station. Opened in 1995, it is located in Denver's bustling Lobo district. It is not just a baseball stadium. It is a hub of activity with restaurants, shops, and the stunning views of the Rocky Mountains. Just a block across the Coors Field, you will find the Dairy Block area. The Dairy Block was once home to a working dairy factory in the early 1900s. Today, it's a vibrant mixed-use area with boutiques, restaurants, and art, and even a food hall. One of the coolest things about the Dairy Block is its art. It is like walking through an open-air gallery, and it gives the space such a creative vibe. It is the perfect blend of old and new. A few blocks south of Union Station, you will find the Colorado Convention Center. Colorado Convention Center is a hub for events, conferences, and incredible experiences. And one of its notable attractions is a 40-foot tall, Big Blue Bear sculpture that peeks into the convention center, which symbolizes curiosity and discovery. After all the exploring that we did, we decided to take a rest and grab some tea at the Brown Palace Hotel. The Brown Palace Hotel is an iconic landmark and has been a symbol of luxury and hospitality since 1892. Check out its grand lobby, Just look at its stunning architecture. The Brown Palace Hotel was designed in the Italian Renaissance style, and its opulent lobby features an 8-story atrium topped with a beautiful stained glass ceiling. Take a moment to admire the intricate details. The stained glass ceiling allows natural light to flood the atrium, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. And in its lobby, you can relax with a cup of tea or coffee while enjoying live piano music. It is a great spot to unwind and take in the ambiance of this historic hotel. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tour around the city of Denver. There is so much more to see, but we covered some of the best spots today. But don't worry, on the next videos, we will visit some more sites that this amazing city has to offer. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on upcoming travel videos. See you in the next one. Ciao!